I want to see the video you're taking, hey?
Content creators, feel like
We're not on top, but when we get home.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. But to the way Ubuitepo is laughing there, I'm just like, girl, you are the last person that must be laughing because Sebe must practice to take the pictures that qualify to be on Instagram. Pictures of you, my dear. So Ubuitepo guys, she put up this video on her statuses, and the way I was laughing. So Usebenzile is basically saying he is practicing to become a content creator, not to become a content creator, to take pictures that are Instagram worthy of Ubuitepo basically. And he says Instagram or content creators, that's what they do. Guys, I'm a content creator, yasebenza. Guys, you see the things he's saying there? It's a joke, but there's a truth to it. Like the angles they go, hey, they go, guys, content creators, when you see those vlogs, even other contents that you see, and you're just like, this is like, it's not up to standard. There's a lot of work that goes into that. But anyway, it's the fun in it that I think I find cute on my side. Someone else would have found, posting that type of video embarrassing. But you know what, guys, when you're with umuntu wakho, when you're with your person, your bestie, moments that other people take as embarrassments or memories for you, it's jokes for you. It's the fact that a person is so comfortable in their own skin to do those funny things on video and know we're gonna all watch it. So I love it for them and I love it for him. Guys, also the Cape Town's beaches. Hey, boy, that sand, it looks like they're in Miami or somewhere, Angazi, but it looks so nice. Anyway, guys, tell me, did you find the video funny? Tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.